What if artificial intelligence gets to be so good, so lifelike, so adept at saying the things you would have it say that you don't really need interaction with other people? What if your best friend was an AI, and your second best friend, and your third best friend, and your boss, and your spouse, and all of your acquaintances? What if they were all artificial intelligences? What if they gave you all the stimulation you needed? They could make you laugh, and they could challenge your beliefs, and they could give you support. They were, in short, the best friends, the best acquaintances, the best bosses, and the best spouse that anybody could ever imagine. And say that because of this, they were the only people you ever interacted with, the only entities you ever conversed with. This seems to many people to be a terrible thing, myself included. But the question I want to pose is, why? If you're interested in artificial intelligence, visit gigaom.com or check out my new book, The Fourth Age: Smart Robots, Conscious Computers, and the Future of Humanity.